reminiscing about the fact that our shoes stuck to the floor all the time. In this movie. That was a very sticky movie.
Foamy drool.
Yes, foamy drool. That was what we called it. Yeah.
Right. And I'm sorry.
Yeah, no, it was just really sort of the first opportunity that I had to sort of sink my teeth into a film role. I mean, I'd done a few things, but really nothing quite this juicy. And so, you know, I knew at the time that it was sort of my first opportunity in front of a camera to sort of really jump into the deep end of the pool on this medium, and I just cherish, you know, all the time. I have really vivid memories of shooting this movie and working so closly with Bruce Abbott, who is an unsung hero in this movie because he is absolutely fabulous in this movie. You know, I always say I had the violin, but he had the cello, and it's a great line. I can't do what I do without him saying, "Herbert, no." Yes.
No, we were incredibly lucky, and it was. It took a couple of more movies for me to realize how lucky we were. That
yeah, that is true.
That everybody was doing just incredible work, and we were all getting along, and we were all making the same movie. And Brian Usna, our producer, said it was beginner's luck, and I think that's true.
Yeah, there's a real alchemy in making a movie, and you have to have a lot of good choices and happy accidents. And we had a lot of good choices and happy accidents. And like Stu said, you know, we didn't realize it at the time. You get down the road a little bit and you go, wow, and, you know, so many things fell into place.
Right.
So.
For Jeffrey, I mean, obviously this is